All right, welcome to the next lesson. Till now, we have created the portfolio page, which includes two sections, interior architecture and exterior architecture. Now, quickly in this lesson, we will create the structure and we do our best to create a style for each project page. So when we click on each of them, okay, it opens another page with some specific style and information and maybe more images of that project, okay? So let's come here to ChatGPT and explain what do we want. All right. So till now, I wrote down that thank you for the work it did for the previous part. And then now I want you to write the HTML codes for each project page as a template. So when we click on the image of each project, it jumps into the project page. So create a folder inside HTML folder. I'm referring to this part. So we have HTML. Here we require another folder, which inside it we keep the project HTML for each of our projects. Okay. And then I mentioned that let's talk about the structure of this project page. Inside it, we have three sections: intro section, image gallery, and project information. Inside the intro section, we will have the main image of the project on the left and the title and description on the right. Then for the second section, we will have a row or rows of images under this intro section. And after that, we will have some detailed information about the project. So let's save and submit it and see the response of ChatGPT. So here is the HTML code for it. And it's not repeating the code for header. So it just put the place of it so we know what we should do. And it's just writing the section. So this is the intro section. We have the image, right? And the project title and the description. After that, we will have the images, okay? And if you want to have, for example, more images, we have to copy and paste this part. And then we have the section for the information, okay? So this is the HTML code for it. All right, it didn't explain the first part, the first task, which we asked it to create the folders for it. It doesn't matter. I'm going to just copy the HTML code. Let's come here inside HTML. Let's create another folder and let's call it project. Okay. And inside it, I'm going to create another. I'm going to create the first HTML code, the HTML file here, which will be named interior dash project dash one.html. Okay. Save it. Paste the code that we just got from the ChatGPT. And remember that here we require to paste the header and footer. So let's scroll up. And here is the header. Okay. Copy it. Okay. And let's scroll down. And here is the footer part. Copy it. And it comes here. Save it. So let's come to our website, refresh it, click on this. And all right, we need to fix the address. So when we are on portfolio, when we click on, let's say the first image, which is, all right, so here on our project card, the address is html/portfolio, etc. Okay, I made with the folder that I created is project, so we can replace that with portfolio. Okay, we can right click on the folder and click on rename, select rename and paste portfolio. Now if we come back and click on this link, it's working fine. But some of the things are not working well. So let's come here. The logo here, it's not working well. And that is because we go back one folder. Okay. we are inside portfolio. We go back and then we are looking for folder images. We don't have any folder images here. So you can just, again, you can explain to ChatGPT that, right, I did all of the things you mentioned, but the logo, it's not visible. And here's my HTML code. And then ChatGPT explained that you need to add one of these here, okay? And then it will show the logo, okay? So you can keep doing this. If you face any issues, just ask ChatGPT that, all right, I have this problem. How do I fix it? Okay. So the structure is working fine. Okay. We need to add the images and the style. Okay. So that was all for this lesson, for the structure of it. And the next lesson, we will work on the style of it.